Hello, good day everybody, mga ka-intermix. Welcome to my new channel. This is Nad Intermix TV. Okay, this is my first video, and I made this video right after the typhoon Ulysses. Nag-decide ako na gumawa ng new channel in order to segregate my personal vlog. Okay, my personal affairs with my educational channel para magkaroon ng distinction. I don't want to mix my personal affair, my personal vlogs with that educational channel. So this is my first upload, taking right after the typhoon Ulysses. Come on, please support me, join me in my new channel, please. I'm inviting everybody, since this is my first time. Come on, pindot na, press the subscription button, click the notification bell so that you will get notified and get updated every time I have a new uploads. As usual, state your comment, use the comment portion. Okay, so yung mga subscribers ko dun sa aking first channel, I'm inviting everybody. The way you supported me, please support me once again in this channel, Nad Intermix TV. And I will post uploads here, videos for my personal circumstances, so that I can give distinctions with my professional dealings and professional affairs.